Evening, everyone, and Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a good, safe holiday. It's 7 p.m., and this is video number 1087, and it is your Sunday evening update on the gold and the other futures markets. Okay, the gold is up just barely 1829.20. That's up 60 cents. And it would not surprise me nor disturb me terribly to see this back to test this 1820 breakout that we talked about all last week. Um, and I have a feeling that that's pretty much what we're going to do. The silver is down a couple of cents. Let's take a quick look. Silver down 2.2 cents, really not much of anything. Of course, that chart has continued to look a little bit more bullish from the standpoint of not having as severe a drop after turning back up. This one still hasn't broken out. I'd say we need to close over 23.53 in order to do that. Last week's high was 23.12. Tonight's high 23.33. 23.44, sorry. So move back up over into the 50s would be really nice. Also, would not disturb me to see it test 23.15, 23.10 before doing that. Oil is up, bouncing off the low from Friday's decline of a dollar and change. As you can see, it was resting right on top of the 50-day moving average after having a really nice 8-day run from a low of 66.12 all the way to 77.5, 77.44. So this one looks like it really wants to move higher. The nat gas is down a couple of pennies tonight after having a 20-cent day to the upside on Friday after bouncing off those lows. I still think that we're going to get a continued bounce back up into the $3.85 to $4 range, even if we're not going to 450. 450 would be a lot of trouble. As you can see, the 5-day moving average is still underneath. We really need to see that cross, and I'm going to say that we probably need to see a close in the 368 to 372 area in order to get that. As far as stock futures go, they were higher last I looked. S&P up 16, NASDAQ up 63, Dow up 103. There really wasn't much in the way of news over the weekend except the monumental stress that we have on our healthcare system because of the new COVID variant. You have to remember that even if it is less severe and less people die from it, there are still lots of people being hospitalized with it, with complications from both it and the continuing Delta strain. So we'll have to see how that shakes out. Airlines continued to cancel phenomenal number of flights. I can't imagine how anybody flies anywhere at this point in time, not knowing how they're going to get back. Bitcoin up 1,600 after last week's debacle. Ethereum up 190, nice move there. The dollar is up about 9 cents, and the bonds are down. All right, everyone, I'll be back first thing in the morning. As I said, hope everyone had a good, safe holiday, and I'll be back with a pre-opening.